Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new four-wheel drive all-terrain diesel forklift with a cab. Model number CPCD 35YKU3. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you are running trucks outside and you need an all-terrain forklift, give us a call right away. Your operators are going to love this forklift. It has a base capacity of 7,000 pounds and it runs on diesel. And you'll see here that it has four-way hydraulics. And while we're up here, I'll show you that it has this heater inside to keep your operator nice and warm, even in Ohio in the winter. And you'll see there that the switches on the dash are super easy to use for that windshield wiper, as well as the four-wheel drive function and your heater. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift and my favorite feature, fork positioners. Now this forklift currently has 48-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need a different size, we can make that happen. Looking at the tires, these are black traction all-terrain tires, and you can see here that we have the tilt cylinder boots. We also have the dual rear view mirrors, and way up there on the top you can see that we have those lights. We have the combination lights on the front that have your work lights as well as your turn signals, and we also have those ultra bright LED headlights. As I mentioned, we also have a windshield wiper there on the front as well as on the back. Now coming inside of the cab, we have even more features that your operators are going to love, including that convex rear view mirror. We also have a steering wheel knob, and this is a fully adjustable steering column. Now the seat is a fully adjustable, full suspension seat that adjusts both with your suspension as well as moving forward and backwards, and it has a tilt adjustment there as well, and it has that orange high visibility safety belt. Now way back there on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with the horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb even when they're backing up. We also have an operator fan and that dome light as well. Now as I mentioned, this forklift is wonderful for any operator that has to work outside in Ohio conditions, because these doors can be easily popped off in the summer months, or you can open lots of windows as well. Now on the back we have even more features, starting with those combination lights that show you your brakes, your turn signals, and a backup light. There's also a backup alarm, and you can see up there on the top that we have that movable magnetic yellow strobe, and we also have a pre-cleaner. Now this forklift, as I mentioned, is here. It is in stock and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck, simply give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.